Hi, hello friends. This is your memory coach, Squadron Leader Jaysimha, the President World Memory Sports Coach for India. Welcome on board. Learning scientific study and memory techniques. We shall talk about what is the best time to study. In the sense, when to study. Morning should we study? Early morning or night we should study. Some of you say no time is good to study, sir. TV is okay, movies are okay, video games are okay, Facebook okay, WhatsApp okay, emails are okay, but study is not okay. Listen, one thing that will differentiate animals from men is that every species has got brain. We got this thinking ability. Means you need to have that knowledge. Knowledge will come only by reading. So don't ever tell me that reading is not good. But the question is, should we study in the morning or night? Majority of people, they say early morning reading is good. Why? Especially in this part of the world, we say early morning is Brahma Muhurtam. My grandfather used to tell me, Jaysimha, you open the book and read. Goddess Saraswati, with her husband Brahma, she goes for early morning walk. And when she sees you opening the book and reading, she will say Tadastu. Everything from the book will enter in your brain. So my grandfather used to motivate me like that. I used to believe that concept till I became a memory coach and trainer. Then I understood there is nothing like this. Morning is good or night is good. Anytime is good. Anytime is good. It all depends upon your daily routine. We have basically two kinds of people. One are the morning people, second are the night people. Morning people are those, they get up at morning 4:30 or 5 early morning and they spend 1-2 hours reading and then they spend time in the ground, then they go to school and they come back in the evening, they do homework and then 9:30, the moment they have food, wherever they are on the dining table or they are on the sofa in the drawing room, automatically their eyes will close, they go to sleep. But early morning, by 4:30, 5 o'clock, they are up from bed. These are the people, they are awake more time and early to bed, early to rise. These people, we call them as morning people. The second category of people are those people, what these people? They are called night people. So they get up at morning 7:30, 8 o'clock or 8:30. Always late Latif to catch the bus to the school or the college. And they come back after 9:30, they have food and they open the book. Now after that, 9:30 onwards, the eyes will become very bright, right? 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30, 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock. And once they keep the book down, they sleep, means they sleep. Early morning, 4:30, 5, 6 o'clock, you go near to them, they'll give one kick and will go and fall in Delhi. That far. So you can't make them up. So they are late to sleep and late to get up. They call them night people. Understood? So there are two kinds of people. One, early to rise, early to sleep and early to get up. There's morning people, late to sleep and late to get up, the night people. You need to check what kind of person are you. If you are a morning person, means if you sleep early and get up early, I fall in that category. If you are like that, then what you should do? 3 to 4 hours. What you should do? 3 to 4 hours, you should read in the daytime. 3 to 4 hours. How much time? So if 3 to 4 hours, you should read in the daytime. And 1 to 2 hours, right, in the night. 1 to 2 hours in the night. This day and this night. You need to make a plan. And if a night person means late to sleep, late to get up, then what you should do? 3 to 4 hours, what you should do? You should read in the night and then 1 to 2 hours, you should read in the daytime. So you have to actually have this plan. Means if you are spending more time during day, reading also should be there more in the daytime. If you are awake till late night, spend more time in reading in the late night. Understood? So daytime, if you are a day person, means morning person, 3 to 4 hours in the daytime, 1 to 2 hours in the night you read, finished. And if you're a night person, late to sleep, late to get up, then 3 to 4 hours in the night, 1 to 2 hours in the morning you read, that's perfectly okay. So memory doesn't depend upon whether you're reading in the morning or night, anytime is okay. But question is, why do you think my grandfather used to tell me that read in the morning good? Because evening time you have come back from school or a college. What happens? You are physically tired. From office you came, mentally got exhausted, and then you go and play some games. Then you are back home and you have done do homework. Then people are playing television, people are talking on the mobile, and people are discussing. So you are reading, but since you are physically and mentally tired, though you are reading 2 hours, you are actually reading for 1 hour. And then though you are reading, but concentration is not 100%. Because physically and mentally you are exhausted, drained out. But imagine, you sleep and then you get up early morning. So body has taken some rest. So body got rejuvenated, brain got refreshed. Early morning, no Alexa, no television, no chatting, no talking, and totally quiet, serene time, right? And then you can listen to chirping of the birds, falling of the tree leaves, and cold breeze is there, and nice beautiful time. And that time when you are studying, right, what happened? You got up from a sleep, so totally body is fresh and mind is totally fresh. Absorption will be much higher. So my grandfather was right in saying that once you have taken some rest and got up, naturally your memory or absorption is much better. Right? I'm in my office. I live at Kukatpally in Hyderabad. I want to go to Shamshabad airport in Hyderabad. Normally, right, evening 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, it will take almost 1.5 to 2 hours to drive from here to airport. But early morning, same distance. I go just hit in just 25 to 30 minutes. What happened? Distance didn't decrease. But what happened? Early morning at 4:30, 5 o'clock when I want to catch my flight, that time absolutely there's no traffic, no signal, nothing is there, and then zooming off, okay, and I could reach airport. But in the evening time, everywhere traffic, everywhere signals, and too much of commotion, and then same distance I'll take more time. Have you understood? So you need to check what kind of person you are. So if you can check and then find out, and then you can actually read this. So any time is good for you, whether night or morning, it all depends upon you need to check. Ask me personally. I always recommend that early morning you do read, not as a memory trainer, as a person. Why? 17 years when I got into the Air Force, 10 o'clock in the night, religiously they switch up the lights. Nowhere lights will be there. The whole Air Force campus has to be totally off lights. And morning 4:30 I used to get up because we have to go for health run, we have to go for a PT, we have to do a lot of things early morning. So I have been habituated like that. So I even today early to sleep by 10:30 max 11 o'clock I sleep, but early morning I get up. The other thing is that I get a lot of clients from different countries. Students, they come to me, ask me questions early morning, so I reply to them. So any one of you can come at 4 o'clock and you can check my mobile number. I'll be active on WhatsApp, and you see that I'll be there on my Facebook. I'll check my mails and I'll be able to read. I'll be able to attend any of your thing because I'm like that person. Early to bed, early to rest. So I spend 3 to 4 hours of my reading time in the daytime, 1 to 2 hours in the night. So if you are like me, do that. In case you are the other way person, I sleep late, get up late. That means 3 to 4 hours in the night, 1 to 2 hours in the daytime you have to read. So I am no one to recommend that you please sleep early like me. I am nobody to tell you, but this much I can tell you, that you find out what is your schedule, what is your routine, accordingly you fit. Okay, but minimum 5 to 6 hours you want to crack IIT, or you want to get into NEET exam, or you want to become an UPSC aspirant, you want to crack bank exam. This much time is compulsory that you have to spend time in reading. So what time you read, it's up to you, but you have to check, right? And which is the best time, and then you find out and reading. Friends, you have to see what is the best time to read. And you know JSMA Mind Education. We are the #1 memory academy in India. Small videos. We have been getting beautiful feedback saying that such a wonderful tips you are giving. And we want to learn total memory course, we want to speed reading course, we want to become memory champion. Then jsma.in is website. We have lot of online video courses. Subscribe to them. Little video it can make so much difference. And if you are with me for 8 to 10 hours, how much you can learn? You can mail me visionjai@gmail.com and 9985031777, 9985041777 helpline numbers, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I would love to be your mentor, partner in success, and together we can make a study a celebration. From today, Study will no longer be a trouble. It will be a beautiful journey to all of us. See you again. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.